Y'all see my new intro? If you like the new intro, comment down below the fire emoji if you like. What's up, y'all? It's me, Zemiah G. But y'all know that though. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and welcome to those that are new to my channel. I know y'all see me shake my head a little bit because I did this because you know I got a vibe. Alright, anyway, as you can already tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing the Sprite challenge. I know y'all seen that Sprite challenge that was on TikTok when you drink it, when you try to drink a whole Sprite without burping. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna attempt the challenge to see if I can beat the challenge, okay? I'm supposed to do this video with my mom and my sister, but you know, something came up, so we're gonna have to do it another time. So I'm gonna do it by myself, but do be on the lookout because we will be doing it together one day. Before we're doing it, I think I'm a little bit excited. Before we did it again. Before we do get into this video, I do want to say that this is Tanashi's hair. If you have not seen my video about this hair, I will put it on a card on either side above my head. Y'all have to go purchase this hair. This hair is really great. If you think about purchasing Tanashi's hair, the link will be in my description box below, and make sure that you use my promo code ZemiahG to make sure that you get some shmoney off of your purchase, okay? Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and we're gonna do the non-girls video, okay? So I have a Sprite freshly out of the refrigerator. I'm kind of scared. Just from looking at the TikTok videos, it's just like, are y'all really being dramatic or what? Actually, I'm finna screen record. We gonna look at a couple videos, okay? Let me screen record because I honestly feel like they be dragging it, honestly. And I'm kind of nervous, but I'm actually excited because is it really doing what it's supposed to do? Let me see. Here we gonna click on her.
Without burping, so I had to try it for myself. I'm not in a very burping mood today. I haven't burped once today, so.
Me neither.
Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh, that hurts. My eyes are watering.
Right. Does it really?
Oh no. The pain. I don't know, that almost came out. I'm afraid something's gonna come out with it. There's a girl on here that's been trying to...
All right, that's enough. I only need to see one, that's it. So yeah, we're gonna try to attempt this challenge. I was gonna try ginger ale because I do not drink soda. Soda breaks my face out. I haven't drunk soda in forever, so Lord, no breakage in my face. All right, so we finna just hop straight into this video because we ain't got time to talk. I'm so scared, yeah! All right, anyways, before I take a little sip, because if you've gotten this far and you watch, comment down below and tell me how your day is going. Request content if you'd like to see content because we're growing and we're glowing on this channel. I love y'all and let's get it, let's go. I got that off somebody. I don't remember. I got that phrase from somebody. All right, here we go. Give me a second. I'm scared. All right, here we go. We're doing it. We're really about to do this. Okay. I just don't want to burp. The goal is to finish this whole bottle of Sprite without burping. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna shut up because I know y'all probably like, girl, get into the video. You're talking too much. Some of y'all probably already clicked off. If you're still watching, I love you. Okay, I'm done. I'm just going on a tangent at this point because I'm scared. Okay. That was a little silly. Okay. Okay, no burping. Okay. It went down a little sharp. Made my eyes water just a little. They say if you drink it fast, then you won't burp. It's a bit strong. I feel a little burp right here. Right here. That was not a burp. I was just breathing. Hey, I'm trying to do other stuff so I don't burp because, woo, it's right there. I can do this. I know for a fact that I can do this without burping. I know for a fact I can. I'm almost done. It's just so harsh going down my throat. I feel like they was being dramatic because although I do have a little burp right here, it's not as bad as they be like, oh my God, it's right there. No, cause they was really doing too much. Now this is not bad. It's not. Ooh, almost came up on me. I do feel it, y'all, just right here. Okay. I can't drink it fast because, sorry, that was my brightness on my phone. I can't drink it fast because if I drink it fast, it's gonna burn. Ooh, I feel a burp. That one almost came up. It's not that bad. Y'all, my stomach hurt. My stomach is hurting. I'm not even trying to like be dramatic, but stomach. I mean, I ain't burped yet, and I'm almost done. Y'all see that? They was really capping, for real, on that TikTok. I just want to be done because my stomach is hurting. I feel like I have to throw up. Oh, I got a little more. You can do it, Z. Y'all, if y'all came this far into the video, oh, let me drink. Y'all, almost done. Ooh, my stomach. If y'all came this far into the video, I appreciate you. I did it. My stomach hurts. My stomach don't hurt no more. My stomach don't hurt. That was, ooh. Child, now that little last bit was making my stomach hurt. I feel like I had to throw up. But after that burp, it's, ooh. Ooh, sorry. Sorry again. After I did that burp, it just took everything out. And so this challenge was not bad at all. Only the fact that my stomach was starting to hurt after I was almost done. But after I did the burping and stuff like that, then I was straight. But sorry. Whew. That needed to come out. It really did. I think I'm done burping. That concludes this video. If you stayed this far into the video without clicking off, I appreciate you for watching this video. And make sure you like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you like this challenge, this TikTok challenge. If you are watching my videos and you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Because I'm flabbergasted at this point if you're watching my stuff and you're not subscribed. Like, or if you watching my video and you ain't even like the video. Like, if you ain't even put the thumbs up, at least put the thumbs up if you're not gonna subscribe. something. I appreciate y'all. I would not be this far without y'all. I would not still be doing YouTube if it wasn't for the love of me doing YouTube, and to have y'all that are watching my videos support me and just comment and all that good stuff. Y'all be getting to me. Okay, anyways, I love y'all and peace out.